Alright, hello my friends. This is just a short video. I got this new light from Amazon. I'm not going to do a full unboxing because I think they're a little bit boring. But I'll just show you like what's inside so you can see. There you go. The light is, at the moment I'm using a ring light, and I'll show you like how powerful that is, but it's been getting a bit kind of flickery sometimes. So I guess that's like the head of this light, okay? So what I'm going to do is, rather than unbox the whole thing, is I'm going to, this room is completely dark just now besides that ring light that's on. So I'm going to set this up, and then I will show you, how powerful this is. And I'm going to show you quickly as well the ring light that I have. So the ring light, it's old, I have to say, but I mean it's worked really well. So this is the brightest. Oh my god, this is the brightest it gets. You can also change the tone of the light. Oh, that one's pretty cool. That one's like the sun. So I think there's like 4 different tones on this. And this is the one that I got. I ordered it from Amazon. 50 euros it cost. So let's see how it is. So I'll just finish this video here. You can see this ring light, how strong it, how strong it goes. You can bring it down, of course, which is would usually be about where I would use it. Something like, maybe one more like that. And I would normally use probably this one because it's more like daylight. So I'm just gonna cut this video, put this together, this new one, put this together, and then we can see what this one is like after it's set up, and then I'll plug it in and we can see what the actual strength of the light is. Alright, see you in a sec. Alright, welcome back my friends. Okay, just very quickly, you can see I've put this together. It was very, very easy, to be honest. It took me like, I don't know, it took me 5 minutes. My wife helped actually because she's better at me than doing these things. It has this bit here for a phone, which is like just one clasp, which is pretty cool actually, because I won't be using this, but just in case, it's always handy to have. The actual, just 2 things. You can see it's a telescopic pole, so you can make it go as high as you want, or not as high as you want, but you can make it go quite high, higher than any laptop or monitor that you're going to have. You can see the face of the light, and something else that I really like is that you can move it, and it's it feels very solid, honestly. I mean, I'm impressed, though I've still to plug it in. The base is something that I'm actually very happy with, because the base is actually a lot smaller than the tripod that this ring light that I have has. So yeah, so it's also has like a rubber on the bottom, so it's not going to, it's not going to be like metal on wood. It's going to be metal on rubber, which is nice. Just go back a little bit. That's it. Almost looks like it's on with this the reflection. So anyway, yeah, that's it. I don't think the buttons, of course, very simple buttons. And again, you plug this into a USB port, which is fine with me. Saves me using another power outlet. The buttons, let's have a look at them quickly. So I'm guessing here this is the power button, so that's like on and off. Then you have the button here for tones, like I showed you in the previous part of the video. So I believe this has 4 tones, so that's 4 different tones you can choose from. And then you have the power up and down, the brightness basically, and that's it. Seems very solid, I have to say. I'm happy with this. and hopefully it will be, you know, a nicer light than this one, and you know, as bright as I need. So with that, I'll see you in a second. All right, hello my friends, welcome back. Okay, so the new light is plugged in. It looks very, very good, I have to say. Like, it looks very professional. I like this square look that we saw. It also has the same basic things, so on and off. You have the brightness, so that's it, full brightness. I mean, to look at it is quite sore on the eyes, honestly. So I'm going to put it down a couple. And then you have the tones. So I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 tones, 4 different tones. And just to show you what I was using, and to mention something that I was wrong about, well, not wrong about, but this is the old one that I was using, and I have to say it's a really good, you know, ring light. I can't remember where I got this from, but if you're looking for something on a budget, I think I paid, I mean, it's been so long, to be honest, that this lasted me. This was like $10-15 or something, and you know, it really did the job for a long time. If I didn't start to see some flickering on the light, I would probably have kept this, and I will keep this as a spare. Just one thing, I said that this is USB, so I'd be plugging it into my laptop. It's been so long that I've been down there, is actually what I had done was plug this into like a phone charger. I'm sure you've all seen them, like this. So you can plug the USB in and it charges. So that's what I had it plugged into. So it's not plugged directly into my laptop. Again, that's pretty good if I need to just, you know, be in my office and not have any laptop on, because I don't know if it would come on if the USB was plugged into, you know, the actual laptop. So that's it. That's my quick review. Easy to set up, looks pretty badass, lights up, you know, not just my face, but it kind of lights up the surrounding as well. And for €50, easily, I'm sold. So guys, thanks for watching this. Just a little short video on me changing lights. I hope it helped you. By the way, the name of this one was, let me just bring that up, so in case you want the exact one, I will open that up quickly. So it is the, what's it called? Oh, it has a name actually. It does, obviously it has a name, but it's called LitONES ring lights. Even though it's not a ring light, it's called LitONES, LITONES. I might drop a link underneath this video so that you can click on it and have a look. All right, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.